Hi, what's up everyone? Did you know that your brand new MacBook Pro M5 could lose up to 30% of its resale value from just a few scratches or corner dings? Yeah, it's that sensitive. So today we're diving into the top MacBook Pro M5 sleeves and cases you can buy right now on Amazon, each one built to protect your investment in its own unique way. Whether you're after rugged protection, slim elegance, or all-around practice. On number 5, INIU 14W Power Bank. 27,000 mAh. If you thought portable chargers were only for phones, think again. The INU 104W Power Bank is a serious powerhouse built for laptops like the MacBook Pro M5. With a massive 27,000 mAh capacity, this beast can juice your 16-inch MacBook Pro to almost 60% in just half an hour. That's nearly wall charger speed on the go. The digital display is sleek and precise, showing exactly how much power you've got left. Unlike those basic LED dots, what's really impressive is its recharging speed. From empty to full in under 2 hours using a 100W charger. When compared to the Anker 737 PowerCore 24K, the INIU offers slightly more capacity and matches it in performance, but at a much better price point. Sure, it's a bit more plastic than Anker's rugged build, but it's lighter and travel-friendly. The 3-port setup, 140W USB-C, 45W USB-C, and 18W USB-A means you can power up your MacBook, iPad, and phone all at once. For digital nomads or heavy laptop users, this power bank nails that balance of speed, value, and travel safety. What do you think? Is this the ultimate all-rounder? Let me know in the comments. On number 4, AsperX 165W Power Bank, 20,000 mAh. Tired of tangled cables? The AsperX laptop power bank has the answer. A slick, retractable, built-in USB-C cable and a sturdy aluminum body that feels premium from the moment you pick it up. With 165W total output, 100W plus 65W split, it can comfortably charge your MacBook Pro while still handling your phone or tablet. It's got a vibrant digital display that doesn't just show battery life, it displays wattage, temperature, and even charging cycles. Compared to the INU 140W, this one's slightly smaller in capacity but offers a smarter, more compact design and a cooler look thanks to that aluminum finish. While it can throttle under extreme loads, as most compact chargers do, the practicality of its retractable cable and easy portability gives it an edge for those who hate cable clutter. It's also TSA approved, making it perfect for travel. If you're someone who values organization and convenience, this is the ideal pick. Between the INU's raw power and the AsperX's premium build, which one wins for you? Drop your thoughts below, I'm curious. On number 3, Baseus 145W Power Bank, 20,800 mAh. Now here's a name many tech enthusiasts already trust, Baseus. The Baseus 145W Power Bank is a total workhorse. It might not have the highest capacity, but what it does have is versatility. 4 ports, 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A let you power everything from your MacBook Pro to your tablet, phone, and even a camera all at once. Its polished metal shell not only looks good, but helps keep the temperature down during high-power charging. And yes, the 100W primary USB-C port can charge your MacBook Pro M5 to more than 50% in under 30 minutes. Compared to the AsperX and INIU, this one's a perfect middle ground. Not the biggest battery, but the most versatile with that 4-port setup. Plus, the digital display is incredibly detailed, showing both input and output metrics. It's the perfect pick for multitaskers and content creators who often need to charge multiple gadgets simultaneously. The Baseus stands out for its balance between power, premium build, and price. If you love having all your devices powered at once, this one's for you. On number 2, Anker 165W Laptop Power Bank, 25,000 mAh. Now we can't talk power banks without mentioning Anker, right? The Anker 165W Power Bank, model A1695, takes convenience to another level. It packs 3 100W USB-C ports, built-in retractable cables, and a massive 25,000 mAh capacity, all in one flight-safe device. It can charge your MacBook Pro M5 to 50% in just over 30 minutes, and when it runs low, it refills itself completely in about 2 hours using 100W recharging. That's serious time saving. The integrated cables are a game changer, no more fumbling for cords. While it's a bit bulkier than the Baseus, its premium feel, crystal clear display, and cable-free convenience easily justify the size. Compared to the INIU and AsperX, the Anker delivers more flexibility with triple 100W ports, although the overall total output can dip slightly under prolonged heavy load. Still, for anyone who wants effortless, all-in-one charging for multiple laptops or devices, this is the gold standard. It's a traveler's dream, clean, powerful, and incredibly efficient. So tell me, do you think the Anker lives up to its hype? On number 1, ROMOSS 40,000 MA65W Power Bank. And finally, at number 1, we've got the ROMOSS 40,000 mAh Power Bank, the undisputed capacity king. This one isn't about speed, it's about endurance. With its massive 40,000 mAh capacity, it can charge your MacBook Pro multiple times over or keep your phone powered for a week straight. However, keep in mind it's not flight approved due to its 148 WH rating, so this one's better for ground travel, camping, or long road trips. While it only supports up to 65W output, lower than the others, it shines with versatility. You get multiple input options, USB-C, micro USB, and even Lightning, plus a built-in LED flashlight that doubles as an emergency light. When compared to the Anker and INIU, the ROMOSS trades speed for sheer longevity, making it the perfect pick for off-grid adventurers or professionals working remotely for days. It's big, it's heavy, but it's also incredibly reliable. So guys, that wraps up today's roundup of the top MacBook Pro M5 Powerbanks. Which one would you take on your next trip? The ultra-fast Anker, the versatile Baseus, or the powerhouse ROMOSS? Drop your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech roundups just like this. And remember, all the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.